Now let's check the SJR website. As you remember, we introduced this website to recognize the proper journals which will be indexed in Scopus. As you can see, the first box lets you choose a subject area. And for instance, we choose engineering. In the next field, you can choose subject categories. And here we choose control and systems engineering. There are three other filters that help you search more precisely, but usually we don't change them. However, in continuing, we can see the ranking of the journals. The most important thing that you should consider is the quartile index. For instance, for instance, let's open the control engineering practice that is on the rank of 42. On this page, you can see the subject area and categories that you can publish in this journal, the publisher of the journal, H-index, and a link to the homepage of this journal. In continuing, you can see the history of quartiles in the subject areas. Okay, let's open the homepage. On the homepage of Control Engineering Practice and almost all journals, you can see the impact factor, site score, latest issue or number that is publishing, and a link for submitting your paper. The extra details that this journal gives to researchers are the average time to the first decision, review time, and publication time, which are really helpful. However, you can check these times with the recently published papers in this journal. All the journals let you see the abstract and some limited information about the articles that they published. Every publisher has its own procedure to access this information. In this journal, that its publisher is Elsevier, you can click on articles and issue and choose, for instance, latest issue and see the most topics that are published in this journal recently. Doing this in a lot of journals helps you to find active research fields. Okay, let's open one of these papers. Now you can see the information of this paper, and if you press show more, you can see the acceptance time details. Moreover, in continuing, you can see the abstract, introduction, and references of this paper. Okay, let's move on. Of course, I remind you to consider all the points that I mentioned in the slides. Okay, let's go to the IEEE Explorer website that I introduced as a proper publisher for conferences. On this website, you can choose Browse and then Conferences. On the Opened page, you can click on the By Topic option and then from the Browse field, choose your topic. That here, I choose robotics and control systems, for example. As you can see, I have a list of conferences that I can see their title history and plan for their next conference. For instance, if I click on title history of the International Conference on 3D Imaging, I can understand this conference is organized every year since 2011. Moreover, after clicking on every conference link, you can click on Search for Upcoming Conferences on the left side of the website and have quick access to the conferences that are going to be held in the near future.